Canva T-Shirt Design tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Canva to create t-shirt design. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, designing t-shirts in Canva is actually very simple. First, you have to sign up onto Canva. Canva is free, but there is a pricing plan which we will go over in a minute. So first, let's go ahead and sign. Now, sign up process is actually very simple. You'll just simply click on the sign up button right here. And here you can go ahead and click on sign up with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email, or continue any other way. It depends on you. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. And while that happens, while that loads, let's go ahead and take a look at some of their pricing plans. So here is the pricing structure for Canva. As you can see, there are 4 plans. There's the free plan, the pro plan, the teams, and the enterprise. And here you can see the price and their features as well. So right here, as you can see in the free plan, you get easy drag and drop editor, a million plus professionally designed templates, 1,000 plus design types, social posts, and more, 3 million stock photos and graphics, AI generated writing and designs, design printing and delivery, 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. So you get a pretty decent amount of options when it comes to the free plan. Of course, the storage is a little bit low, but that's fine. And in the pro version, which is going to cost you $120 per year for one person, everything in the free plan, including unlimited premium templates, 100 million plus photos and video graphics, 1,000 brand kits to manage your brands, quickly resize and translate design, remove background in a click, boost creativity with 20 plus AI tools, plan and schedule social media posts, and 1 terabyte of cloud storage plus online support, which I think is pretty cool. And then you have Canva team. It is going to be $100 per year per person, so minimum 3 person. So it's going to be a total of $300 per year. And you get everything in the previous plan, but you can also scale your brand and centralize assets. You also get to ensure brand's consistency with approval. You can edit, comment, and collaborate in real time, generate on-brand copy with AI, team reports and insights, pay as you grow, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, same as the previous one. You get online customer support, AI admin controls, and ISO 27001 certifications with SOC2 Type 2 compliance. So for those of you who don't know what iOS is, it is an international standard that provides security for your information. So it's a pretty top-notch security certification, so you won't have to worry about leaking all of your information. And then you have the enterprise, but for that, of course, you have to get in touch with Canva. So now that you know how much it would cost you, let's go ahead and get started with it. Of course, this was for individuals and team. If you want to go with education, it's going to be a little bit different. You have to get verified, contact them, and everything. So for those of you who are, looking for these, you have to get in touch with them, and, you have to verify that you are a teacher in a school. So for now, we're going to continue with the free plan. So let's get into it. So when you first sign up or log in into your Canva, you should be good to go. So right here, see the glow up. This is like a new thing that is happening in the Canva industry. So I don't know what this is. So let's just go ahead and see what is happening over here. I think it was just some sort of celebratory something, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with it. So as you can see, this is one of my older accounts. I have used this in the past. So let's go ahead and create some cool t-shirt designs. So to create a t-shirt design, you just simply click over here onto the search bar and search for t-shirts, and a template option will pop up. So as you can see, you have t-shirt logo. So you can go ahead and click on t-shirts to get started with the design. It's going to open up in the template section right here. So here you can see you have some t-shirt designs that you can use. So these are some templates that you can go ahead and use them onto your t-shirt. So pretty simple, pretty cool t-shirts. Most of them will be premium, but there are a few that are not premium and that are actually really, really cool. So for example, like this one right here, Born to Stand Out, Skulls In. This one is a pretty cool t-shirt design. So it would look really, really cool on the back of a t-shirt, and it is completely free, like these ones as well. And if you want to go ahead and create one on your own, like create a custom t-shirt design, you can do that as well. So for that, we just simply click on create a blank t-shirt. And over here, it's going to open up the canvas right here where you can go ahead and create your own design. Now, creating a t-shirt design is going to depend on your own creativity, but I'm going to try my best show you some of the tools that you can possibly use in order to create a good t-shirt design. So first things first, you got to figure out what type of design it is that you are going to be creating, right? So is it going to be text based, or is it going to be a graffiti type, or something like that? So we can see we have a bunch of different options. Now from this template, you can just simply go ahead and import them onto your t-shirts, right? Pretty simple stuff. Like this one right here. This one actually looks pretty cool, right? The design itself looks really, really cool. And we can go ahead and import this. So you can see we have some clouds coming over here. So we can use this design on our shirt. So we can use it on the front of our shirt or the back of our shirt, however you want to, go about it. And this is a design that I actually, created personally right here. And it's also pretty simple to create. I just added some of these Japanese clouds and added a dragon. You could do that as well. But I think this looks pretty cool. You can go ahead and create something like this as well. So if I were to go ahead and create something like this from scratch, all I would have to do is just click on the design section or click on the elements. And here we can search for different elements, right? So let's search for clouds. We search for different clouds. We can see we have some different options, but what I want is some similar to these clouds. So for that, we'll just simply search for Japanese clouds. And when we do that, we have some more options right here. So if I click on graphics, we can see some more options. So some of them are, premium, but that's fine because some of them are not premium, like this one right here. So if I click over here, this one is very similar to these ones, but since they are black, we'll just simply click over here and convert these to black. And there we have a cool design for some clouds. And if you want something similar to that one, you just simply search for them and you will find some cool looking designs as well. So we have a bunch of different cloud designs. We can go ahead and use them onto our t-shirt design. So let's say I want something, a red sun, right? A red circle. If I just simply go ahead and search for a circle, right? Like this one right here looks pretty cool, or this one as well. So if we go with this one and I just simply go ahead and change the color to red, I think that looks really, really cool. So I'll just put like a red circle right here. I'll just get rid of this for now. And let's say we put it over here. That looks much better. And now let's say we want to add some more clouds, maybe a dragon as well. So we'll search for dragon. And here we have different options, maybe something like this on the corner. It looks pretty cool, but actually not that cool as well. Maybe increase the size of it, but I think this doesn't look right. This one looks pretty cool. If we just go ahead and put it over here and actually bring it forward, I think it is forward, so we'll leave it at that. But it is a little bit different than what I expected, so we can find other ones as well. But yeah, once we found, let's say, a design that we like, we just import it over here and we should be good to go. Next, what we can do is, of course, add those different clouds. Or so something like this looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and save it over here. And then we can add different clouds over here on the left hand side. So this one looks pretty cool. So we can add different clouds right here and maybe find some other ones that are similar to this one as well, maybe in smaller size. But yeah, let's go ahead and just copy paste them a couple of times and we'll rotate them as well, or flip them actually. We'll click over here. Can we flip them? Here we have the flip option. We'll just flip them horizontally like this one. And over here, I think something like that. And we'll send it backwards. So behind the dragon, like so over here, but in front of the cloud. I think that looks pretty cool. And then over here, make this one a little bit smaller and put it over here and do a couple of more of them and maybe turn them a little bit red, and our design should be pretty similar. So something like this, I think we make the color a little bit darker like this one, and I think this looks pretty cool. I think they're both similar colors, so let me just go ahead and make this one a little bit darker as well. And we'll switch the inlines to white like so. I think this looks much better. So something like this, we can go ahead and maybe change up the size of this one as well. So something like this design looks pretty cool. So we can use this as an example and use it on our t-shirts. And once it's done, once you have a good design, what you want to do is just simply click on share. And of course, since this is a design, we would like to have it in a PNG with no backgrounds. So, but for that, we need to upgrade our account to the premium account. So that is unfortunate. So here you go. As you can see, PNG, and we also want a transparent background as well, but of course it's for premium. But once we do that, we should be good to go. After that, we can implement our design on our t-shirt. So pretty cool. This is how you do it. This is how you can create different t-shirt designs using Canva. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.